Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Too Fast TV. Today we're going to be talking about oil.
What? Wrong oil, I guess.
What'd you say? If you can't slide, you can't drive. That's it. That's just the rule.
Bitch, I'm gassed up. Bitch, I'm gassed up. Bitch, I'm gassed up. Bitch, I'm gassed up.
Rum, 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 I'm an idiot. Rum, rum, rum.
Let's take a look at this jug of oil. See the 5W30? But what does that mean exactly? To better understand it, we need to understand why engines use oil in the first place. Motor oil is used to keep the engine clean and lubricated, but its main purpose is to keep from getting wear and tear caused by friction in the mechanical components. So what happens if you don't put oil in your engine? Let's note that the average operating engine temperature is 100 degrees Celsius. Just think about how hot the engine is getting. If you don't have any oil to keep it cool and lubricated, eventually the metal components will weld together and your engine will seize. So what do these numbers mean and why do they differ depending on the car? They represent a grade of motor oil designed by SAE, the Society of Automotive Engineering. This is based on the oil viscosity within different temperatures. The first SAE number paired up with the letter W for winter indicates how well the engine performs when it's cool, and the second SAE number indicates how well the engine performs at 100 degrees Celsius. This is why it's recommended to stick to your manufacturer's recommended oil grade, which you can find in your manual or on your oil cap. To determine the SAE number, a test is performed and a reading is taken to calculate the amount of time it took for the oil to pass through an orifice at 100 degrees Celsius. The slower the traveling time, the cooler and thicker the oil and the higher the number. The faster the traveling time, the warmer and thinner the oil and the lower the number. Fortunately, there are chemical compounds that make it so that in cooler conditions, the SAE number will act as a thinner, lower number, so that the oil is able to lubricate areas of the engine and become thicker as the engine warms up, so that it doesn't lose its lubricant efficiency.
Quiz time! Thicker. Warmer. It's hot. God damn.
Should you choose conventional oil or a synthetic oil? Well, I'd say use synthetic, and here's why. Conventional oils are made from organic and natural products, which may not always be consistent and can cause friction over time. Whereas synthetic oils consist of artificial and chemical compounds, which last longer, create less friction and less heat, so they won't break down as quickly in extreme temperatures. They're also known for cleaning sludge much more effectively in older vehicles in comparison to conventional ones, but are much more expensive. Lastly, choosing to use synthetic oil over conventional oil is better for the environment, as it can save around 23 liters of oil per year per vehicle. That's it for this week's episode. Comment below and let us know what you want to see.
Make sure you follow us on Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram. And make sure you subscribe to our channel, that little red button below. Hit that button. Do it! Yo, we upped our budget. Yeah, boy. We getting it in. Yeah!
Fast TV.
Hey,
Yeah.
he already knows what it is.
I know what it is.
Dang-ish.
So high off this rubber.
Your laughter gets every time.
Can't slide. You can't drive. It is what it is.
I just gave up.
I'm sweating.
I'm a...
Are you filming this?
Yeah. Are you actually recording? Oh my god.
I made it, that's what she said.
Oh, to what?